If you've ever felt like your OneNote notes look too cramped, or you just want a cleaner, more readable layout, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to change line spacing in OneNote quickly and easily, so you can make your notes look more organized, easier to scan, and much more professional. Whether you're formatting class notes, meeting notes, project plans, or just personal notebooks, adjusting spacing can make a huge difference. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open OneNote and go to the page that contains the text you want to format. Before you change anything, highlight the specific block of text or paragraph you want to modify. This is important because OneNote will apply the spacing changes to the text you select, so make sure you only highlight the area you want to adjust. Once your text is selected, look at the top of the screen and click the Home tab on the menu bar. The Home tab contains the formatting tools you'll need for this task, including font settings, paragraph tools, and spacing controls. After that, locate the paragraph alignment icon. This is the button that helps control how your paragraph appears, and it also gives you access to spacing options. Click the paragraph alignment icon, and then from the drop-down menu, select Paragraph Spacing Options. This will open a pop-up menu where you can customize the spacing settings in a very precise way. If you want more control over how your notes look, this is the best place to do it. Inside the pop-up window, you'll see a few important settings. The first one is line spacing. This is where you enter a custom point value to adjust the spacing between sentences within the same paragraph. If your text feels too tight together, increase this value a little to give it more breathing room. If you want a denser note layout, you can keep the value lower. Next is spacing before. This setting lets you add space directly above a heading or text block. It's especially useful if you want sections in your notes to stand out more clearly. For example, if you're separating topics or adding headings, increasing the spacing before can make the page much easier to read. Then, there's spacing after. This is the option that creates space after a paragraph when you press enter. You can enter a value like 6 pt or 12 pt, depending on how much spacing you want between blocks of text. This is really helpful because it automatically adds breathing room for you, so you don't have to keep pressing enter twice just to make space. Take a moment to adjust each setting based on how your notes should look. There isn't one perfect value for everyone, so try a few different spacing amounts until the layout feels right for your workflow. If you want cleaner, more polished notes, slightly increasing the spacing can make a big difference, without making the page look too spread out. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK to apply the new spacing instantly. OneNote will update the selected text right away, and you should see the difference immediately. Your notes will now have the spacing style you chose, making them easier to read and better organized. And that's how you change line spacing in OneNote. It only takes a few clicks, but it can completely improve the look and structure of your notes. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick OneNote tips and software how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.